Have you ever wondered how your music app seems to know your tastes so well? Or how your phone's map guides you through traffic with uncanny accuracy? That's artificial intelligence, or AI, quietly working its magic in the background. AI is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's interwoven into the fabric of our daily routines, often without us even realizing it. From the moment you wake up to the time you drift off to sleep, AI is there, subtly shaping your experiences and simplifying your life. Remember the last time you binge-watched a show on a streaming platform? The platform likely used AI to analyze your viewing history and recommend similar shows you might enjoy. Or perhaps you hailed a ride using a ride-sharing app. AI was likely involved in matching you with a nearby driver and calculating the most efficient route. AI is like a silent partner, working behind the scenes to make our digital interactions smoother, more personalized, and remarkably efficient. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to AI's pervasive presence in our lives. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we'll uncover its inner workings, explore its diverse applications, and ponder its profound implications for the future. So, buckle up and prepare to embark on a captivating journey into the realm of artificial intelligence. AI, in its simplest form, is about making computers think and learn like humans. Imagine teaching a child to recognize different animals. You show them pictures, name the animals, and eventually, they learn to identify them on their own. AI works similarly. We feed massive amounts of data into computers and train them to recognize patterns, make decisions, and even predict future outcomes. Unlike traditional computer programs that follow pre-programmed rules, AI systems learn from the data they're fed. This enables them to adapt to new situations, improve their performance over time, and even exhibit a semblance of human-like intelligence. The more data an AI system processes, the smarter it becomes. Let's say you're teaching an AI to distinguish between pictures of cats and dogs. You show it thousands of images labeled cat or dog. The AI analyzes the features of each image, such as shape, size, and color, and learns to associate specific features with each animal. Over time, it becomes adept at identifying cats and dogs in new, unseen images. Today, AI is revolutionizing various industries from healthcare to finance to transportation. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, and even perform complex surgeries with robotic precision. Financial institutions are leveraging AI to detect fraud, assess credit risks, and provide personalized financial advice. Self-driving cars, once a figment of science fiction, are now a reality, thanks to AI. These vehicles use AI-powered systems to perceive their surroundings, make driving decisions, and navigate complex environments. Even in our homes, AI is making its presence felt through smart assistants like Alexa and Siri, which respond to our voice commands, play music, set reminders, and control smart home devices. While AI offers tremendous potential to improve our lives, it also presents certain risks and ethical concerns. One concern is the potential for job displacement as AI-powered machines become increasingly capable of performing tasks previously done by humans. Another concern is the potential for bias in AI algorithms, which can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. For instance, if an AI system used for hiring is trained on data that reflects gender or racial bias, it might unfairly favor certain candidates over others. Furthermore, the increasing autonomy of AI systems raises questions about accountability and control. If an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm, who is responsible? These are complex questions with no easy answers. As we continue to develop and deploy AI technologies, it's crucial to address these ethical considerations and ensure that AI is used responsibly and for the benefit of all humanity.